Hello, I am back, and today we are going to find out how to find root of 11 square. Okay, so before we solve this example, we are going to understand the general formula of that root of n square is equal to n, which means root of any square is the number itself. If you apply this rule to this, what should be the answer here? Yeah, yes. So you can say that root of 11 square is going to be 11. Yeah, why so? Why this formula? Let's see, let's understand that part first. You know that you should be knowing this, that root of any number can be written as n to the power of 1/2. Root or square root means the power or the exponent is half. So can we rewrite this part here, that root of n squared, can we rewrite it as n squared, the whole bracket, 1/2? Yes. So we can, as per the law of exponents, can we write it further as we can multiply this square in half, because as per the law of exponent, if it is a to the power of m and the whole bracket to the power of n, then you can write it as a to the power of m times n. All right, so we are going to apply this here, and let's rewrite n squared times 1/2, which will give us half of 2 is 1, so n to the power of 1. N to the power of 1 is nothing but n. All right, so can we say that? Did you understand now why root of n squared is n, or root of any number square is the number itself? Okay, I hope you understood this. If any time you do not understand any of the videos which I've uploaded, please do comment. This will help me to re-record and to understand your requirements and to improve my skills so that you understand what I teach. Thank you.